This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW 535. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Convenience Package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW apps which include smartphone integration, a power moonroof, xDrive, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, a steering wheel with memory settings, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, child safety seat anchors, dual power seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 16,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
BMW of Nashville is located at 4040 Armory Oaks Drive in Nashville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.